Hey guys, it's me, Jill, and today we are going to be doing live on a slime scammer. Live slime scammer. Yeah, so let's get on to the video. So let's get on to the video. Okay. Ding, ding, ding. Where's my phone or iPad? I don't know why I'm saying. Let me check on my iPad. No, it's on my phone. Wow. There's only 3 slimes. Actually, I don't think I should give her 3 slimes. Actually, I'll just give her what she wanted. So, okay, I've got some. So the first thing she wanted is she wanted a purple glossy slime. This might be too good for her. Yeah, this is too good. Well, it's not good because it's so rippy, look. She'll try and stretch it. Like, at least she brought me the money. Already says, yeah, give it back. I want to give her this because it's rippy, even though it's my favourite colour. Next, she wanted, I think it's a purple slime. So next is this blue one. She asked for another glossy one, but I like this slime. It rips. I wish I had another blue one. I don't make blue slimes. I've only made one blue slime before. Okay, I'll give it this a bit clear. And then next she wanted is a purple slime. Another purple giant slime. How come this isn't really good slime anymore? This isn't a really good slime anymore. It was all good last night. I had to add a bit more activator. I'm not actually. I think I'll just leave it. I'll just give her a little bit. No, I'll be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna give her a little bit.
Thank you.
Morning. I'm only giving her a little bit. And then no, it stinks. I was just seeing if I had water in. There, I'm gonna keep this. And now, no, I need to find a bag. Yeah, I'll go and get a bag. Chair. My arm's good. Here's grab. Do it. So the first one, it looks like I have got is this purple, not purple, blue slime. I'll just start from the bottom. This one does bubbles. No, it doesn't do bubbles, but I think it does. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this one doesn't do a bubble, so I'm not quite happy about that. I'm going to try this one. Okay, first game. I know it's weird for when like you put your mouth over slime and you're like, ew, what is big glue in it? But don't worry, I made the slime. Okay, replay. Okay, so let me see if this bubble makes it. This slime makes a bubble. I did a bit, but you couldn't really see it. So next I'm gonna try this purple slime. I have got one of these purple slimes. I just wanted another one. It probably won't work with this much slime. I might have to add my slime to it. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. This was a skit. So yeah.